Hey everyone, so I just want to show you how I take care of my braids. And yes, my hair did grow that long. No, I actually went on a cruise and I just put 2 braids in my hair because I didn't want to deal with my hair. So when you take down your hair to prevent like a lot of hair loss, I will highly recommend you do like a prepoo to your hair. So what I do is I actually just take 4 sections of my hair. I take my hair and I pretty much finger detangle. But right here, I'm spraying the Aloe Vera and Rosemary Hydrating Conditioning Hair Growth Spray. It makes your hair really soft and easy to detangle. And it's going to help just get that nasty like kinks that you may have in your hair from just wearing braids maybe, a little bit too long, or if it's a lot of gel in your hair or whatever the beautician may put in your hair in order to slick your hair down. And you can see here it's a little bit tangled up a little bit, and I'm just working my way through. I'm actually really proud of my hair growth, guys. Look at that, like herbs, baby, herbs. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and put 2 plastic caps on my hair and then put a scarf on. I think I left this in for about an hour or so, but you can sleep overnight with it as well. Now, here's my wash day routine. So obviously you're taking shampoo, washing your hair. Now, to prevent a lot of hair loss from happening, I would highly recommend you use like a whatever brush that you like, but put your hair in the water. You see how my hair is actually in the water? Put it in the water while you're detangling it to help soften the hair up while you have the shampoo and conditioner in your hair. So here I'm just going ahead and put the conditioner in my hair, which helps to hydrate your hair back from the shampoo, which strips your hair from all oils. So then you're going to just go ahead and Bantu knot it up. And then again, in the back of my hair, I put the conditioner on, and you can just see step by step, I'm just working that brush into my hair and making sure that I don't have too much hair loss. And you can see my hair up top, it wasn't too bad at all. Like, I rarely lose a lot of hair using this method here. I absolutely love washing my hair in the shower. It's so much easier. So here I'm just going to, I couldn't find a lot of my scrunchies. It's like they just disappear on me. So I'm going to do 2 plaques in the back to stretch my hair out, just to dry it so I won't have to necessarily blow dry it. And you can see here's the hair and pretty much what I do. So I kind of like wring my hair out. I'm taking a herbal rose water and spraying my hair and my face. Again, on my hair and my face just to get some hydration and tie it up. And the next day I actually went to go get professional wand curls in my hair, and it came out so cute and my hair was so soft. So yeah, thanks for watching.